How to make money from YouTube. YouTube is a wonderful platform where anyone from any part of the world can make good money from. I have made cool cash from YouTube to the point that I've gotten to 100,000 subscribers, and YouTube sent me these wonderful gifts as an award for getting to 100,000 subscribers. As at the time I am making this video, I have 100,009 subscribers on my channel. And if you are new on this channel, my name is Anthony. I create amazing content about how to make money online. And YouTube is one of the best platforms you can make money for yourself. And YouTube is a platform where you can create video and earn for the rest of your life. You make money from YouTube while sleeping. All you need to do is to create accounts. If you want me to put you through on step-by-step tutorial on how to create accounts, drop that on the comment section, okay? I will guide you through on how to create YouTube channel accounts. Criteria on making money on YouTube: you need to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. By doing this, you will have all the capacity and features on making money from YouTube. If you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, I can put you through on how you can have this done within a week or so. I have done it in so many channels. I've managed so many channels and achieved this, okay? If you get to this subscribers and watch hours, the next step is to register on Google AdSense. Registering on Google AdSense, your details will be required, tax details and all that. It takes a couple of minutes to register. It doesn't take a long time. When you register on Google AdSense, YouTube will activate the $sign by your comment side, where people can click on the $sign and gift you super thanks or super chats. People make a whole lot of money by getting super thanks and super chats. Anyone that likes what you do can click there and gift you without you noticing, without you asking them, okay? Another platform of making money from YouTube is when people watch your video, you earn money from the adverts that people watch on your video. So when you register for Google AdSense, it will require your address and you need to make up to $10 on your account before the AdSense pin will be sent to you. It takes a couple of 3 weeks to get to you, to your address. So if it's up to 3 weeks and you don't get your Google AdSense pin mailed to you, you can request again. You have a couple of 3 times to request, okay? And when it gets to that, when you exhaust that 3 times to request for your pin, you can now format and activate it with your bank details or government details. You now impute it. If you want me to put you through on this step too, drop that on the comment section. I will put you through. My videos is all about tutorial because I want you to get value for your time. When you get the $10 and the pin are being sent to you, you will have 6 digits on the mail, on the letter. When you open it, you go back to your AdSense account and impute the 6 digits pin. Your account will be activated immediately. So let's say at the period you were waiting for your pin to send to you, you were making money and it gets to $100 threshold, YouTube will send whatever you have earned to your bank account. Your bank account will come in on the period you were filling the AdSense application. That's when you can put in domiciliary account of any country where you are. No matter where you are, you put the dollar account details. That's where YouTube will pay you whatever money you have earned in a month, okay? If you are able to earn $300, YouTube will remove tax from that $300 and send you the rest. YouTube is so transparent that you need to understand and know, have the track record of all the money, the revenues you have been making from YouTube. It's very easy to achieve that. So how do you make money when you get to the threshold of getting monetized? I always tell people you need to create a good, valuable video. Pick a niche. Do you want to talk about health? Do you want to talk about making money? Do you want to talk about food cooking? Do you want to teach people? Do you want to analyze events? Whatever you want to do on YouTube, you are welcome. And there is something YouTube doesn't play with. YouTube doesn't play with copyrights. YouTube frown to that. So whenever you are bringing a content on YouTube, make sure you are the original owner of this content. Don't go out there and pick content randomly and post on YouTube. YouTube doesn't support that. YouTube gauge people and encourage originality. YouTube wants you to crack your brain and come up with your own original content. It's not difficult. If you want to make a faceless channel, you can make videos without showing your face. Whatever channel you want to create, whatever content you want to create, you are welcome on YouTube to do that. And remember, you are on YouTube to make money. So a lot of people are on YouTube to make money, while a lot are on YouTube just to while away time. So if you want to make money on YouTube, this video is for you. Share this video to people that want to learn how to make money online. Okay. So when you create amazing video, post it out there. Always work on the title of the video, description of the video, tags of the video. Is this video made for kids? You write it out there. Is it not for kids? You just click buttons. Those are the few optimizations you need to do when uploading a video. And when you're uploading a video, a long form video, you will need a thumbnail. Thumbnail explain what the video is all about. It's just when you glance on the thumbnail should be able to summarize what the video is all about. So if you are making video about how to cook Chinese rice, you should be able to write it in bold letters. And if possible, put a picture of Chinese rice. Let them speak for the video. Doing this, anyone that glances on the thumbnail should be able to know what this video is all about. So those that are interested will click and watch your video. Those that are not interested will click away. And when you are making video, people don't really care about your name if you're a new YouTuber. If you watch, I've not mentioned my name. So what people are in for is the information you want to give them. So you can mention your name at the last part of the video. Some people come on YouTube and say, you are discouraging your viewers. So create a good content, go straight to the point, tell people why they are on your channel and have them glued. Make them come back, okay? When people pick interest in what you do, the chances of subscribing to your channel will be high. Chances of coming back to your channel will be high, and chances of clicking on the bell notification will be high as well, because when they click on your bell notification, they will get notified anytime you create a video and upload. They will get notified that Anthony Olo has created a video, he has uploaded. So they will want to watch because you give them value for their time. So don't just come on video and play video, make video that doesn't have good relevance. People will not watch. And mind you, you don't just create video and post on YouTube and start making money. No. Your video has to be good. The quality has to be good. The audio has to be good. YouTube will put adverts. The adverts can come from any company on your video. So when people are watching your video, they watch the advert. You make money from the ads that played on your video. So imagine you made a video that is not interesting. People don't even watch to half of the video. They will not be able to watch the ads. So you will not make money. And in YouTube, there's what we call RPM and CPM. So when your video doesn't have good quality information, your RPM will drastically reduce. So you don't want to make a video and your RPM is 0.0 something cents. So you will not make good money from that. But when you have good value for the video, the video is quality enough, people will watch. Even 20 minutes, 10 minutes, people will watch your video. I've been able to study YouTube very well to the extent of getting to 100,000 subscribers. For me to get this award from YouTube, I am yet to unbox this award. So stick around, watch my videos. Let me know if you find this video interesting and educating. Let me know on the comment section, okay? Let me know if you have been trying to customize your video, if you're trying to customize your channel. Let me know. I can put you through on how to do that. Don't forget, my name is Anthony Olo. I create amazing content about how to make money online. If you find this video interested, let me know on the comment section. Subscribe if you have not. Click on the bell notification to get notified anytime I bring amazing content your way. And see you on my next video. Cheers.